Hayley and I are huge camping enthusiasts, but since becoming dog parents to our mini foxy Hamish, we've been really stuck in our options of where to go. That was until we found this place, the Gorge. Nestled in the magical Clarence Valley, the three of us were given a beautiful isolated spot on the river, and it just felt like we were away from everything. Hamish could especially be free range, off lead, and we had no care in the world. A bonus for us was that our camp was positioned close to the beginning of a 3.5k waterfall walk, where the gorge just progressively becomes deeper and more spectacular. Anyone could have made the mistake that this area was a national park. Passing through Grafton and about 15 categories later, the beauty of the Clarence River becomes really obvious and you know you're in for some nature's treats. We booked 2 nights over a weekend and were specifically given our site in mentioning that we wanted isolation. The gorge has so many options to choose from. Grassy knolls with river views, or like us, a cosy spot on the riverbank, away from everyone.
Oh my god.
Now, unless you're into your Wim Hof breathing, I wouldn't recommend this. We camped in June and the water was bitterly cold, along with frosty mornings. The one thing we did miss was our canoe. The Clarence is perfect for paddling. We watched the occasional kayak or at times tinnies drift by, and we heard the fishing was really good, but it's catch and release.
What have you got there, Ham?
Theory has it that the rivers of the area once flowed northeast into the Condamine and central inland sea of Australia. But only in the last 60 million years has the land fauna changed right here in the gorge, so that the waters reversed and flowed down the Clarence River to the Tasman Sea. One Indigenous legend mentions the ancient protector of the water, Durungan, who created this rocky and undulating landscape in an attempt to prevent the water rushing out to sea. What do you think, Hayley?
I can't believe that someone lives here.
That owns it.
Yeah, this is someone's property bit ridiculous with spiderweb on camera lens. It is the best place we've ever been able to take the dog because he's completely off lead. Haven't really come across other dogs, which is great, or animals, so he hasn't chased things. So I feel comfortable having him off lead, and it's an amazing place to camp just in general because it's quite isolated, and that's my favourite way to camp, is away from other people.
Camping.
Don't like people in camping. I want to be in nature, immersed.
And the dog, we haven't even had to worry about not thinking about where the dog is.
So good. That's the biggest stress relief.
And he can just drink at his heart delight. Hopefully he doesn't get heartworm.
He's had the freaking Serenity. He's fine. Thank you.